kulira. Nani aliwaka? Nimeweka chakula kingi
You must flip on the other side and you flip on the other side. Let us be united. Let us work together.
This opportunity to welcome RDC Mpigi Haji.
Okay. Through a scenario that we are going to post, that is the polling station. Then as we go to the corner, that is the stocks amongst the candidates and their supporters. The supporters of both candidates to make sure
that the campaigns are peaceful as the while you carry out this activity. Yes, of anything, always peaceful.
what currently is taking place, as we are seeing the bosses are now being open upside down to make sure there is no vote. The votes are being received in the tallying center. Center where declaration will be made and the supporters of both candidates.
okuyamba abo bakutaasa embeera yona. Abatudde eno temutya ogw'omupango tegukozeseza gwe gwa training tegubabagala so temwera. That's a withdraw. Section erinawo komanda waayo ya commandinga mu ngoberere. Police took those respective areas to make sure peace prevails and no more.
These are the officers that I came with from Kampala, and these are all trainers from the field force unit.
That's possible. Unfortunately, our there is a musician. I think my brother Karim loves music. There is a musician who sang a song that Tokora Era. Tokora Era. That man is called Mudra the Viral. And you know, in that song Tokora Era, he actually mentions the Afande. In the Afande, Mutukuba Masasi. But then after making that statement, Mutukuba Masasi, the man again says Tokora Era. I want to appeal to you, our personnel, and this goes specifically to you. In this forthcoming period of electioneering, Temukora era, avoid making errors, because we have seen it. We have seen, and I was telling them, chief guest, I was telling my personnel here when I was launching this training. When you see like the groups of Sagara and I have seen Mrs. Chencho, they attack. And then when you respond, you should know the purpose of your responding. The purpose is to disperse them so that you restore order. Now see a rioter taking off and then again you continue chasing the rioter. What are you doing? If you've gone to disperse, and that is your end, that is your objective or your aim, it is to disperse the riot, and the rioter is taking off. That is already the mission accomplished. Let them continue running until they run up to Nabonda there where I stay. Meanwhile, order will have been restored. But you look at a police officer chasing somebody who is already running, and I was telling them that even the Baganda have a saying, ndiwobogo bamusajja munno olekamu naye bw'omunyigiriza ennyo atuuka n'agamba owaaye kati naye nga neerwanewo kati ekivaamu lutawe nga mutandika okulwana so bwadduka n'omuleka oyo tugamba nti kati gwe nkuwonye, then you go and handle other people who are confrontational nga bakyabalumba. So we want to avoid as many errors as possible in this forthcoming general election. We want to avoid situations whereby officers go personal, throwing all professionalism off board. I don't expect to see an officer fist fighting. Fist fighting? Are we in a boxing ring? Use your baton. We shall have different teams. Those who are supposed to use tear gas, they will use tear gas. You'll use the baton where necessary. Where not necessary, in most cases, sir, chief guest, we normally, and you saw it in this exercise, we prefer being proactive as opposed to being reactive. That's why you saw the DPC approaching our people, talking to them, trying to negotiate with them, that please, don't behave like that. But sometimes our people are very stubborn, unfortunately, who end up mobilizing, you know, in the youth. They mobilize them and incite them to engage in the acts of violence, which is very bad. And for us as police, we are very much aware of that. And we are very prepared for that. And I can assure you, we are going to handle, I can see us having a very peaceful election. So, Chief Guest, sir, I have.
Therefore, in the training session, they developed a scenario which I'm going to take you through. Then thereafter, we shall be guiding you on each activity as they will be unveiling time and again. Right now, we have a scenario Kira region of Tanda Republic is in advanced stages of electoral process for presidential, parliamentary, local government, and special interest groups representatives. Mr. Sagala and Mrs. Chekyo were both nominated for MP elections, while Mrs. Chekyo complies with the Electoral Commission guidelines. Mr. Sagala defines those guidelines. Each candidate displays posters, but unfortunately, all posters are destroyed frequently. Mr. Sagala's camp causes violence to attract public sympathy. His supporters always want procession on the region's business streets and provoke Mrs. Kenkyo's camp to cause electoral violence. Of voter protection, his organized cliques attempts to scare all voters and disrupt the voting process. When that fails, they mobilize themselves to invade the tally center. Upon losing the election, in the process, the supporters of Mr. Sagala disrupts public peace and order. That's our scenario. At this juncture, our team is going to advance to begin organizing each scene as per our scenario.
For the last 5 days, and on the same note, I want to thank the IGP for making this happen. Afande Oderosa, we thank you so much for training us, for taking us through, for preparing us for the task ahead of us. And on the same note, I request that we get such trainings in other departments. The CIDs can also get such trainings, even the traffic, such that we can be able to handle day-to-day activities. Here, we work with them, and they have enabled us to do policing, day-to-day policing. But chairman, tubebaza nnyo akensusu. Chairman business community. Kaba wange owa Buddu. Twebaza okujja because if nga police tetuyinza kukola nga tetubayina. So community members, nsaba mwekubireko ku bugalo. Afande, I think this training is timely because of the period we are in. When the trainees demonstrated here, it shows the level of readiness. That is how ready we are, and in case of anything that will happen during this politicking period, that is how we shall respond to scenarios. You have always been with us. Whatever activity we have, the media, we cannot take it for granted. You have always supported us. Though sometimes you report things that are not vetted. So we request you that you should always sit with us, with the JIC team, so that you can receive the information you give to our public. Lastly,
an exercise called name Mahali Salama. This is an exercise that the police management conceived and dispatched a team in the entire country to go and interact and interface with police officers and make sure that police officers around this time are uniformly conscious of what is in their environment, but above all, ensuring that they are all working towards ensuring peace and security in their areas of operations, making sure that they are fit, making sure that the equipments or the tools that we use are all checked and they are all in their good functioning conditions. So, before I move any further, allow me to recognize the team I came with that can continuously work with you and ensure that our country is peaceful, ensure that our communities are peaceful, and business is moving on as usual, and therefore our people can arrive at the prosperity that we are all always aiming at. So, these few days, we want to commend so much the RPC and his team, the DPCs in this region. They have all ensured that they avail themselves, avail the personnel, and avail the tools so that we are able to check them. And so we are going to take back the information on what we have seen in this region. But so far, the display that they have shown here prepares them also for other major tasks that are coming ahead of them, especially during electioneering. We want to ensure that police in the different parts of the country are all acting in a very professional manner. You've seen how they negotiate with these people. They want to avoid the idea of resorting to other forms. We have interacted with police officers from the entire region. I want to take this opportunity to report that our work here has been very easy because of the good mobilization in this region. And so we have interacted with 100 participants, and 16 of whom have been female officers. You've seen some of them there performing. So we really commend the management in this region for ensuring that they do enough mobilization so that we are able to interact with police officers and bring them the message that was packaged for them, to prepare them. Training has got a lot of advantages in terms of how it orients us mentally as members of the force, physically, but above all, impacting on our professionalism so that we can be able to do things in a very professional manner and avoid obvious mistakes. The work that we do as members of security involves using equipments that are at times complicated. And if we don't continuously refresh ourselves on their usage, sometimes we will make accidents. And out of those accidents, we have either injured ourselves or we've injured our colleagues also. And that is why police management felt we should move around and be able to look at the usability of these equipments and also how good they are for our operations, which is something that we have achieved within these few days. We've moved with most of these participants on road and they are physically very fit. And so the message that we want to leave behind is that
I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all to witness the pass out of our personnel who have been on a one-week training. And special thanks go to our chief guest. Thank you, sir, for honoring our invitation. Sir, chief guest, this particular training was a deliberate action under the guidance of the Inspector General of Police, but also in preparation for the impending general elections 2026. We are trying to avoid a situation whereby we get caught unawares and yet we are aware of what is coming. You may have noticed in the recent past cases of violence in the recently concluded internal party elections. There was a lot of violence. At one point, violence was displayed right before His Excellency, the President of this country. We could not take such scenarios for granted because those were early warning signals. I want to assure you that our officers have gone through a rigorous training, enhanced capacity. And like the head of training mentioned, to also enhance professionalism. Because professionalism is our lifeblood as police. We are a professional force and we are supposed to exhibit professionalism at all times. The purpose is to ensure that we have a peaceful election. This particular training exercise was codenamed Mahali Salama. Mahali Salama is a Swahili word translated as safe place. This is in line with our vision as Uganda Police Force. Our vision, sir, says that a professional and people-centered police for a safe and secure society. That is our vision. So whatever we are doing here is in line with that, but also in line with our mission statement, which says that we shall secure life and property in a committed and professional manner.
Singa obusambattuko buno mu kulonda n'obujagalalu bujja olw'ensonga nnyingi nnyo. Bujja obumu ng'abeesimbyewo bategeeza abantu baabwe nti baababbye. Naye kyenja okusaba omuntu oba nga weesimbyewo obeere ne ba agents abamanyi ki ekyokukola nga bagoberera ensonga ezo okuviira ddala we balondedde okutuukira ddala results we zigenda mu electoral commission. Naye kyenjagala obategeeza electoral commission ye yokka erina obuyinza okulangiriramu ebyo ebiba bivudde mu kulonda. N'olwekyo omuntu yenna anaagezaako okulangirira nga si wa electoral commission, ekyo nakyo kijja kubeera nga si kirungi era gusobola okubeera omusango kuba osobola okuwa results ate nga si zentuufu. N'olwekyo nja kusaba buli muntu yenna okuviira ddala mu registrars okuviira ddala wansi ba agency n'abalonzi okubeera nga ensonga eno bagigoberera mu mbeera ey'amazima n'obwenkanya okulaba nga exercise eno etambula bulungi obutatabangula mirembe mu ggwanga lyaffe. Nze Katunze Yahaya Kavuma, Deputy RDC owa Mpigi. Olunaku lwa leero Mpigi region yonna, Katonga region, tufulumiza abasirikale baffe nga babanguddwa mu ngeri y'okwetegekeeramu violence mu kiseera kino eky'ebyokulonda. Era njagala okukubiriza abantu bonna bagenda okwenyigira mu kulonda bakuume emirembe. Ebiseera ebisinga abantu abaleetawo obukuubagano obwo n'okwagala okuteekawo embeera etali nnungi bakozesa enkola ya mirundi mingi. Bamanyi oluusi okukulembeza abakyala ne beeyambula okugezaako okusika abakyala okwegatta nabo kwekyo okutuukiza ebigendererwa byabwe. Naye njagala okubategeeza abasirikale baffe bafunye obukugu, ebyo byonna tujja bisalira amagezi. Tulinako abakyala abajja okukolanga ku bakyala, tulinako n'abaami. Era omukyala w'alina okukola ajja kukolawo. Bwe kyetaagisa okugatta amaanyi tujja gagatta. Naye nkubiriza abantu mu kulonda kuno okugenda okujja babeere nga mbakakamu mbakubiriza okuwa nnyo ebiseera byabwe ku mirimu gyabwe gye bakola ate era nensaba abavubuka kuba be basinga okulabikira mu buvuyo buno obubeera mu biseera by'ebyokulonda. Okulonda kulina ekiseera kujja kuggwa, tetwagala abantu bafune buzibu mu kaseera kano. Kubiriza abavubuka bawenye ebiseera ku mirimu gyabwe gye bakola okusinga kwetaba mu bantu abanaleetawo obujagalalo mu biseera by'akalulu kano. N'olwekyo njagala okubategeeza mu Greater Mpigi Katonga region yonna okutwaliza awamu tweteeseteese bulungi okulaba nti okulonda kutambula nga kwa mirembe, kubanga abasirikale baffe bafunye obukodyo obw'okulaba nga tiwabaawo obutabanguko bonna, tiwabaawo kulwanagana, buli muntu asobole okulonda nga ssemateeka bwamuwa eddembe lye okukola exercise eyo.
Thank you.